Hi, this is your Srinivas. Today I am going to prepare mungfali chutney, groundnut chutney. Okay, so for that, what are the things we are required? So I am telling you. So we have to take a small cup of mungfali or groundnut, a peanut, we can also call. Then we required some chana dal, jeera, mustard, and moong dal, little imli or tamarind, then garlic, dry chili, green chili, and this is a curry leaves and coriander. Okay, so now we will start the procedure. So first we have to heat the pan. In that we have to fry this. So slowly we have to fry this. So under low flame we have to fry slowly. So there is a color changes. So if you see this one, slowly the color changes will be takes place. So इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा चेंज कलर्स हो जाता है. So still it is frying. Yes. So like this, at least 2 to 3 minutes we have to fry under high flame. So after this, what we have to do? We have to remove the skin. That is छिलके निकालना है. स्किन निकाल सकते भी है, नहीं भी निकाल सकते हैं, बट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग पसंद नहीं करते छिलके को, इसलिए हमें छिलके को निकालना है. ये आप डोसे के साथ खाया तो इतना यम्मी रहेगा, इतना यम्मी रहेगा. सो इट इज़ वेरी सो यम्मी. Okay, now I am shifting to on plate to remove this skin. So like this you have to remove this skin. So अभी इसका छिलका निकाला है और इसको हम मिक्सर जार में डालना है. थोड़ा गर्म रहता है तो आप लोग थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना, अपना हाथ ना जले. थोड़ा सा मिर्ची भी थोड़ा सा ऐड करना है, लगभग आपका जितना चाहिए उतना, लगभग 5 से 6 ग्रीन चिल्ली यू कैन टेक. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर spicy, so you can add. Okay, little bit you have to dry it under flame. So after that tamarind or imli, so इन तीनों चीज़ों को we have to little fry. So green chilli, garlic and imli. So now we'll transfer to the middle. Okay, so now we can add a little salt on this. So how much you require, that much you can add. If it is not sufficient, later on you can add, no problem. So now everything added to this jar. Now we have to blend it. Now it is blended nicely. So now हम इसको तड़का डालना है. So अभी तड़का कैसे करना है आपको दिखा देंगे अभी. So पहले गैस ऑन करना है. So गैस ऑन कर ऑयल, edible oil, 3 spoons you can add. So lightly I am adding here. Okay, so we have to wait to boil this. Now it is boiled. Then first I am going to add red chili. You have to fry it 1 second. Then we have to add chana dal we have to add. Then we have to add jeera and mustard. So these ingredients are optional. Usually most of the people like only mustard and jeera, but it is Andhra style, so we like to add this urad dal and chana dal, so it will give more taste. Okay, then now we are going to add curry leaves. Curry leaves is always gives very good look for any kind of these tadkas. Okay, so now it is so you can see the color changes takes place in this. So now it is fried. Then we have to transfer into this. Then on top we can add this. So mix it nicely. See how it looks, so yummy. So if you take this with dosa, so that also I will show you now how to prepare dosa. I have batter of dosa, rice dosa. So now our chutney is ready to serve. Okay, so this is about your chutney preparation. So now chutney is over. This is rice dosa batter. So actually yesterday I prepared this. So this how to prepare this batter I will give you soon. So in this batter we have to add little salt, little 1 spoon or 1.5 spoon you have to add. Then add water. Slowly we have to move this. Actually this is a frozen, means I kept this 1 day full day in fridge, so it is little tightly. So we have to add water to make it is a, so it should not be too thin or too thick. बहुत भारी मोटा भी नहीं होना है, बारीक पतले भी नहीं होना चाहिए। सो ऐसे हम इसका ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि ताकि हमारा डोसा अच्छा बने। So we have to see like this. Yes, now it is a not fully thin or not fully thick. So moderately it is a so our batter is ready for dosa. So now you have to do keep a dosa pan and on gas. Make this stove on, then you have to wait for till it is become a hot. This pan has to be get a hot. ये hot होने तक wait करना है। Pan is hot, you can check like this. See, so now it is a hot. So you have to take a 1 spoon of batter, this big spoon, and we have to like this we have to do. See here how nicely it is come. Yes, wow. Okay, so after when it is drying we have to put some oil on this. Little oil we have to sprinkle on that. If you want to restaurant style, I'll tell you how to make a restaurant style. See how nicely it is burning. Now your dosa is ready. It is very hot. You can serve it very nicely. This is your dosa with peanut chutney. How is it? Please comment and share. Thank you.